a lot of focus on empowering the farmers and solving challenges such as management of records, availability of resources to the farmers, and also traceability in areas like Narok County. This is why we are very passionate and happy to actually have had such a beautiful, amazing meeting with the county government officials of Narok, also with different stakeholders like a cooperative bank, Faulu Bank, APA Insurance, Micro Insure, Pacific Insurance, Kenya Livestock Breeders Association, and all these partnerships are really around empowering the farmer and trying to break the barriers that exist as far as livestock farming is concerned. So one of the things that we truly want to beat is the traditional barriers in the market. The traditional barriers in the market have quite a lot of gaps when you look at it. In our own perspective, there are problems as far as animal records are concerned, animal identification as well, empowerment of the farmer by unlocking what we call dead capital, which is value tied to the animal, and obviously financial benefits such as insurance and also loans against the animal. So those have always been challenges when you compare what has happened in the traditional perspective of our industry and what we hope to achieve in the modern perspective of our industry, similar to what happens in developed countries like the US and the UK. One of the things we also want to promote is digital literacy. Digital literacy is really targeting the farmer because in counties such as Narok, Kajiado, and other semi-arid areas, farmers have challenges with digital literacy. So the methods we want to deploy is to be able to communicate to them digitally. For us, digitally means from SMSs, from notifications, through mobile applications that we provide. Also by working with partners such as banks, Kenya Livestock Breeders Association, and other partners within this ecosystem. But mainly is to make sure we get the information to the farmer. It will start off on a digital level, on SMSs, and also trickle down to things like seminars and forums with the farmers. So as we mentioned earlier, we are critically keen on making sure that we empower the farmer. But truly empowering the farmer is about proper data collection and proper structured records in terms of the animal and in terms of the farmer. So we have two types of tags. We have an identification tag, which is a modern tag. It's NFC enabled and also stores records. Then we also have a traceability tag, which empowers the farmer to actually have a track and trace, especially in areas that theft of cows or animals is high. So for this particular county, Narok County government and other counties like Kajiado, we are looking at impacting the farmer directly by making sure that the farmer's animals are actually identified through our identification mechanisms and our powerful cow tags. Also making sure that we do the valuation of the cows, because again, when a cow is valued, it becomes an asset that can help farmer in multiple ways. We also want to promote farmers' peace of mind by making sure that this particular cow has insurance, and again, the livestock owner also has the ability to access financial services, including insurance. So really, the way forward is to make sure we empower the farmer, and we're already on the ground, and we want to get in touch with as many farmers as possible. So our model is very diverse, and we are also a liberal company that makes sure we promote liberty when talking to farmers. So we are not going to force the farmer on solutions, but the first thing is to make sure the farmer understands the pain points that our solutions will address. Then we let the farmer make a decision. But ultimately, we are just after empowering the farmer within our ecosystem of solutions.
Now, the challenge that has faced our farmers have been basically lack of records. And when we talk of records, it involves information right from identification, records about the performance of those animals, their productivity, and even the investments that the farmers do make in their breeding and their farming activities. So the lack of records has been a major hindrance in assessing the performance of the farming enterprises, and KLBA is coming in to work with the partners who are keen at ensuring that we have data that is well collected, that is accurate, and that also can be organized digitally in a form that can be also accessed by farmers whenever feedback is required.
Kwa jina naitwa Jacob Lempaka. Mimi ni mkulima mfugaji kutoka upande wa Narok East. Nimejifunza mambo mengi kwa ajili, kwanza kabisa, wakati wote tunapofanya ukulima ama ufugaji, basi huwa tunalenga pesa. Na tunaona wakati wote ambapo una nia ya kupata pesa na una mwelekeo na unafanikiwa kukupata zile pesa, utakuwa umefaulu. Kuna hii mambo ya mkopo wa kutoka kwa banks ambaye unaweza patwa kwa urahisi bila udhamini wa labda kama title deed ama kitu kama cheti chochote, lakini zile ng'ombe zinakudhamini uweze kupata ule mkopo. Kuna pia nimesikia pata kujua kwamba hata yale maziwa, ikiwa malipo yatapitia katika bank fulani, inaweza kukudhamini kupata mkopo, na badala ya kungojea labda kupata shilingi 40,000 baada ya miezi 10, unaweza pata 40,000 na ulipe kwa ile miezi 10 kwa ada kidogo sana.